Hello yogis, welcome to Sil Sunshine Yoga. If you love to travel and at the same time want to keep yourself relaxed, you can try this meditation. You can sit down in any comfortable position at any place. Simply close your eyes. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Take a deep inhale and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. One more. Deep inhale. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Just relax yourself. Just relax your thoughts. Relax your mind. Relax your entire body. As you close your eyes and sit here with your spine erect, you can feel that you are able to relax. You are able to gain more strength. More energy is flowing in. Whenever we travel, we have to take care of our body. Also, we have to take care of our mind, because mind holds the key to create good memories. It is mind which plays a big role. Now, as we come to the end of this meditation, just take a deep inhale one more time. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. And when you are done, you can open your eyes. Thank you.